Alright guys, today we're going to talk about custom paint jobs versus vinyl wrap. The reason why I'm going to talk about custom paint job versus vinyl wrap is so we can get the idea and the gist of it. Some people kind of get it, some people don't. But I've got both. I've got a custom paint job and I've got vinyl wrap. So vinyl wrap is something that you can take on and off. It's cheaper than paint, but you don't get the same effect as some people as a custom paint job. So a custom paint job costs more. You get the nice pearls, however many different paint schemes you got. I've got 5 different paints on here, colors. If I was to take this to somewhere and someone was to hit me, or if I was to scratch up the whole front end or whatever on the side here, so I have to blend in this whole piece just to make sure the whole scheme goes inside. On here, someone hits me, which someone actually did a while ago. Let me show you guys right here. So when someone hit me in my first job parking lot, in the parking lot there, they hit the side of this car right here and side right here. So what I can do is take the whole bottom piece off and replace the whole piece there. So with me doing that, I don't have to worry about blending this whole paint job into the whole side there. So it's cheaper and it's pretty cool too. So it's just a lot of things that you guys can do too. So you get matte finish, satin finish, gloss finish, ultra glossy, you can get chrome, you can get color change. It's pretty cool what you can do these days with vinyl wrap. So take in consideration, do you want a garage queen like I got, drive it every once in a while, or do you want a car you can drive every day, do cool things to it and change it anytime you want. And it lasts 7 to 10 years. Yes, I said it, 7 to 10 years. So we're gonna do today is I'm gonna finish up the bottom of this right here and blend it in. So that's my idea of blending it in versus painters blending it in. You blend in the whole side of the car to half of it, or whatever they do. But I know from the lady who I talked to who painted this, Michelle Garinger, she says you gotta do a lot of stuff when you blend in paint. So I take a piece off this roll of vinyl material right there, and I just apply it on the car, get all the bubbles out, squeegee it, and I got 7 to 10 years. So I'm gonna take this off and put it back together. So see you guys later. Alright guys, see how quick and easy that was? You get this material back, you get your car back the same day. Do you think you can get that back in the same day? No, look at that. I still got a little bit to go, but there you go. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. What do you think? And see you in the next video. Thanks.